Hello, I'm Dr. Kenneth Li, a pediatrician and a parent just like you. Let's dive into a topic many of us parents may be dealing with: managing our little one's screen use. Screen use refers to the use of devices and platforms like computers, smartphones, TVs, social media, or games, whether it is in the background and regardless of the duration and purpose. While digital devices can be useful, finding the right balance is essential for nurturing your child's healthy development. I completely understand how convenient digital devices can be, especially when life gets busy, but it's vital to be mindful of how much time our children spend in front of the digital devices. You see, kids learn best through hands-on experiences, and when they spend too much time on their devices, their time spent in physical social settings is reduced, thus impairing their development in social and cognitive skills. Both international and local research shows that spending a lot of time on digital devices can lead to shorter attention spans and poorer language skills. That's why it's so crucial to balance screen use with activities that truly help them grow and flourish. For children under 18 months, avoid digital devices altogether. And for toddlers aged 18 to 36 months, try to keep it under an hour a day. Remember, even a TV running in the background can distract your child and interfere with their playtime. One way to help manage this is by creating screen-free zones at home. Try setting up spaces where digital devices aren't allowed, like the dining table or your child's bedroom. This not only limits screen use, but also encourages more meaningful interactions, whether through conversation or play. Encouraging your child to enjoy screen-free activities can broaden their interest and help them grow. Playdates, outdoor activities, reading, and arts and crafts are all fun ways to keep them engaged. For babies between 3 to 6 months, you can make playtime joyful and interactive by changing your voice, making funny faces, or playing peekaboo. As they grow, activities like stacking blocks, playing with soft toys, or exploring textured objects can also engage their senses and promote development, in particular motor and social skills. For toddlers aged 1 to 2 years, simple activities like singing nursery rhymes, blowing bubbles, or engaging in pretend play can be both enjoyable and beneficial for their growth. Our kids learn so much by watching us, so we should be mindful of our own screen use habits and role model responsible and moderate use. You're showing your child the value of real face-to-face interaction when you put your device aside to spend more time with them. Most of us may have faced those moments when our child asks for the TV or just 5 more minutes on a digital device, or gets upset when they are not given the tablet. It's tough, and you're not alone in this struggle. However, staying calm and understanding their feelings can make a big difference. Try redirecting their attention to something fun, like drawing, playing with toys, or going to the playground. Set clear and consistent screen use limits, gradually reducing screen use if needed, and establish a routine filled with plenty of screen-free activities. Praise good behavior and stay patient to help your child adjust smoothly. While digital devices give an impression of being helpful during meal times, remember, they often do more harm than good in the long run. Put away digital devices during mealtime and use that time for meaningful bonding. Remember, balancing screen use with other activities can make a difference in your child's development. You've got this.